Meet the GNMN V7 Wireless Earbuds, delivering powerful sound, deep bass, and a comfortable, secure fit for everyday use. Perfect for music, calls, and workouts, they offer seamless connectivity and a reliable listening experience on the go. What's in the box? In the box, you find the GNMN V7 Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. How to wear. Insert the earbuds into your ear canal and gently twist until they feel comfortable and secure. Then lift and adjust the ear hooks around your ears for a snug, stable fit. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Start by opening Settings and going to Connected Devices, then tap Pair New Device. Next, open the charging case by pressing the button, remove the earbuds, and place them back into the case. This will put them into pairing mode, and you should see them appear in the device list. Once they show up, tap the earbuds and then tap Pair. Smart features? Simply turn on Bluetooth and the GNMN V7 connects immediately without any hassle. No complicated setup is needed, making it quick and effortless to start listening right away. Enjoy deep bass and crisp audio that makes every song, call, or video come to life. Balanced tones ensure you hear every detail clearly, whether you're listening to music or taking calls. Designed to sit snugly in your ears for all-day comfort without slipping. Lightweight and ergonomic, they stay in place whether you're working, exercising, or on the move. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted music, calls, and entertainment on a single charge. The charging case provides extra power, keeping your earbuds ready whenever you need them. Manage music, calls, and voice assistants directly from the earbuds with simple taps. No need to reach for your phone, making your listening experience smooth and convenient. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the GNMN V7 wireless earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your GNMN V7 wireless earbuds. See you at the next one.